Building a successful business goes beyond profit. It's about creating value in ways that positively impact society, the environment, and the economy. Ethical entrepreneurship isn't just about doing what's right. It's about creating long-term success by aligning business objectives with the well-being of others. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur, an aspiring small business owner, or someone looking to start a meaningful project, this video is for you. It's designed for those who care about the how of success as much as the what. You'll understand that ethical entrepreneurship is not just a trend, but a foundation for building a future-proof, resilient business. What does it mean to start from scratch? Starting from scratch means beginning with nothing but an idea and the determination to bring it to life. No funding, no team, no infrastructure, just the drive to create something that doesn't yet exist. While this can be overwhelming, it's also incredibly liberating. When you start from scratch, you have complete creative control and the freedom to build your vision exactly how you see it. Mindset and attitudes. One of the first and most important steps in starting from scratch is cultivating the right mindset. You will face uncertainty, obstacles, and even failure along the way. However, with the right mindset, these challenges become stepping stones rather than barriers. In the early stages, you may not have all the answers, and that's okay. Entrepreneurship is about learning on the go. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to gain new insights and grow. You don't need to have a perfect plan, you just need to commit to constant learning. Starting from scratch requires resilience. There will be moments when you question your idea, your process, or even yourself. But resilience, the ability to keep going when things get tough, is what separates successful entrepreneurs from those who give up. Ethical entrepreneurship isn't about quick wins or short-term profits. It's about building something sustainable that can stand the test of time. This requires thinking beyond immediate gains and focusing on long-term impact. An ethical business starts with a clear sense of purpose. Why does your business exist beyond making money? Align your actions with this purpose and let it guide your decision-making. Whether it's choosing suppliers, hiring staff, or marketing your products, ensure that your purpose is reflected in everything you do. The true measure of a successful business isn't just financial profit. It's the positive impact it creates, whether that's reducing environmental harm, improving workers' rights, or contributing to local communities. Ethical entrepreneurs aim to make a meaningful difference. Now, ethical entrepreneurship isn't just a buzzword. It's a framework for creating a business that respects people, planet, and profit equally. Starting an ethical business from scratch means you are building with responsibility and transparency as foundational pillars. Your decisions will reflect not just the financial health of your venture, but also the ethical standards that guide your practices. Ethical businesses are becoming more popular as consumers become increasingly aware of social and environmental issues. Starting from scratch gives you a clean slate to set up a business that stands apart from competitors who may not prioritize these values. This gives you a significant competitive advantage, especially in markets where consumers prefer brands that reflect their personal values. Starting and maintaining an ethical business requires more than just good intentions. It needs the right tools and resources to ensure you can act on your ethical principles while staying competitive. If you're starting an online business, you can use System.io, which is a free all-in-one marketing platform. You can create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, create digital products, automate your marketing, and many more. This is the right tool you need to launch your online business, which will make the whole process easier and faster so you can focus on making money. And to support it with great content, I will also recommend you to use Chapel AI. This AI helps you generate AI content, AI image, AI code, AI chatbot, transcription, almost every feature you need to generate content. Because this is an all-in-one platform to generate AI content and start making money in minutes. Combine these two tools to support your business. The best part is, both of these tools are free. You can get it with the links in description for the free access. You can always upgrade it to paid plan access for more amazing features and experience. In a world increasingly driven by conscious consumers, ethical entrepreneurship is no longer a niche concept. It's the future of business. Starting an ethical venture from scratch provides you with the opportunity to create something that not only generates profit, but also contributes to a better world. Ethical entrepreneurship isn't about choosing between profit and doing the right thing. It's about doing both in a way that builds a stronger, more resilient business.